That's great news. Yes, man. All right. Give me about 10 minutes. I'll be there. All right. Wow. What a relief.
Nothing good. Boy.
Yeah, me there. You know, so me just get a call from the management. Them have an urgent meeting, so they want to see me like right about now, so me have to go push.
Yeah, watch you know. I'm moving to shipment for Jack from weed from what they are. No, once I go in that sort of.
Yeah.
I'm going right now. From what they are going to jogging on. And I move to come down on shipment from what they are. Be a shaking it now, but I don't know what I'm going to do right now. See them then every time I don't so nothing. I told them that I was much to do down today. All at this steady. That's good to do on the I think. Very simple. You know what I mean?
Hello? Yeah man. Yeah, the same artist there man. I see me and wait for you now. Yeah man, she's supposed to come check me anytime now, so I go talk to her and make sure it's everything line up, you know, because I do some work on her things too, you know. I mean, I send everything to you now, because, yo, I up there someone wants to come, you know. Yo, she bad, man. You know, you're about her. Yo, Angel Eyes, man. Yo, me there on a thing right now. I'm supposed to pull up your thing right now, and when I pull it up, I can't never hear that. Alright. You know me? Alright. Angel, come here now.
Wow, I don't know me there, man. That place, no?
You know, some of them on a call a while ago. Overseas thing, you know.
Wow, that sounds good.
Overseas thing. You know, international now, we're not here.
Wow, tough. Tell me the things, man.
Alright, so some producer over foreign, I work with them and them tell me, say, I hear music, I bump in at the club, you know. Yo,
like seriously?
Yeah, get reviews, Angel. Them want you over there.
So when this up?
Tomorrow. You have to go get some things, let me tell you, say. You're today in the morning. So you know I fly out?
What do you mean? I fly out, of course. Yo, I'm ready, man. You can't turn down my opportunity, yeah. You can't turn down my first chance. Because I say manipulate, man. What do you mean, man?
I have to call them back to them. I go do the paperwork and I'm going to sort it out.
Yeah.
Your ticket I go there at the airport tomorrow, so you don't know how it.
You're grateful.
Angel, go pack some clothes because you have to go.
You have to go deal with it.
That?
Right about
Alright,
yeah.
go on home.
Alright. Because myself, man, yo, blessings,
back,
man.
Make sure you remember me, you know.
Oh, I mean, man, and you, man, I mean.
So,
man.
Different for a long time, you know. You know, man, out there and things everywhere, don't know it. So, don't show. You look boy and don't know it. Long when I go to money, you know me? And that's an improvement.
Yeah, me, yes, man.
I really thought, man, you know, so I just setting out with the one going, you know, so she can check out the things from the one, he was sharing to come back and, you know, you think? Yeah. Just go on when I tell me to call a number to one. So the thing going, you know what I mean? Differently, you know me, so not to know number, but you know me? I just our thing that, you know me? You know, you're a nice girl in a long time, man, like everything, you know, you know me? Cool, man, you know me? Yeah, man, right now, come like a sheet that I come on the road to, you know.
Thank you. You can't wait for go home, go give me husband this news there. Lord Jesus, hey, Lord, what me, baby? Mommy. Hey, what?
Oh, going good.
What, my Ozzy?
There, man. So everything good.
Yeah, you want to say good news, me got you know.
Yeah, but sorry, I want to go to me.
Good news.
I'm not there, I know me himself too, but we just said, I'm don't feel myself no weed. No, me there, something myself no weed.
Don't worry about that, man. Things all change,
man.
Don't worry yourself. Things are, hey, thank you, yeah. Thank you, Kiki. Yeah.
I tell you, I want to make a big kiki, though. You know, so much loud. Ring her and see what I go. See what she did on. I'm not like you loan the thing, you know, I'm not used to them thing, you know. You know, man, a top girl, you know. Ring her and see what I go. What she did. Hello? What go on, baby? Can't come check me, man. Yeah, man, me there yard, man. Me alone, man. Yeah, kind of feel all boring and thing. You know what thing going on? Yeah. So you there? You there home? Yeah, man, come me a link, man. Alright.
Me I come check him man out of your gate me there. Me I come in now. Alright.
What go on, baby?
Me there.
Yes, you know.
Me too.
Long time I not see you. So yeah, you have a seat, man.
Thanks.
So yeah, deal.
Me there, you know.
Boy, you need to come check me for me. Yeah, deal, Mr. Man.
Oh, me did busy, man. Me couldn't get to come. Me did busy.
I'm not telling me alone of the day, and I know I'm not used to them things, you know. I regularly used to come check me, and from where the you see me, I say.
Hush, man. Actually, me busy. Cause you know if me never busy, me that come look for you.
I tell you, you know.
So you good though.
Rate still, you know. Cause you see me, you know if you do that thing, you know, babe.
You good though.
Yeah, man, everything up, man. We there,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So yeah, we're going differently.
Me there, I just come in from work, you know.
So what business are going?
It's a going good, man.
I'm going to stock out the next business again, you know. Cause
True,
everything
man.
have to up, you know. You see me, I say,
True.
cause money have to make, you know. You see me, I say, some more. What you want? What kind of business you want?
Like how me I do one little shop, me da want one little bar, see me, you know, one
A
little
simple
bar
thing,
funny.
man. A simple thing, man. You see me, some of us get in some liquor and thing for you. You see me, I say,
True.
cause you know, I think up, you know, I love you, you know, baby.
True.
I hug, man. Cause
Say
I'm
girl,
not see you, you know, man.
Say girl,
Yeah, man, we gotta work, man, but come back and boring in a star, man. I tell you, you know, cause me alone there, no music, nothing. My sound mash up, you know, no music, no vibes. I say, I have to give you one thing, and you see me, I say,
True, man.
eh.
And you know, me have something to tell you too.
What
I
that
have a
be?
surprise for you.
Well, I'm not too love is surprised, but like come and rate us, sir. Go on, I'm here.
So you can guess how?
What that could have been now, be?
Guess no?
Well, you win a lotto?
No, guess again, I know that no.
Tell them I like the guessing thing, you know, man. You win cash back?
No, you know, I'm going to tell you.
Tell me, yeah, man. Come and love the surprise thing, you know.
I'm pregnant.
What? Good man.
Yes.
I wonder if a boy or a girl.
Hey, me no know.
Yeah. You have to go take the thing, man.
Eh?
And find out if a boy or a girl, man, so we can start buying the thing, man.
But you know you can't do ultrasound yet because me just get pregnant, so you can't do
Alright,
it.
you know where you
have to
say,
wait.
I'll be glad, you know, like best news that. That even better than the lot on the cash back, you know.
No.
So, what you are doing, you know? What you are doing?
Me there cause you see too, me just come for me and go home go cook.
Alright, you know where you say, I watch a one show and thing. So, when you link me again?
Me calling you tomorrow.
Alright, where you say, everything good, isn't it?
Alright.
Alright, bless up, yeah?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, babe.
Yeah, man.
Can't wait to go in and hold the thing around.
Good news, man. Like good news from man. Then I would we I know from man. I say we from man when I'm pistol and make reality. No one now make a road from weed.
But I want to say about that. Come sit down and
I'm start sell some job now.
Aye, I want to say about that, man. You know,
Boy, you get every day me have to buy him feed and then boy can't give me trouble. That boy, when I get big. When I get big, I make sure you know that whole person can go pay him back in a boy. You see me?
Don't kidnap you, nothing. So let me tell you what I'm going now.
Yeah, car.
You want to say the producer, what you called me earlier?
Yeah.
You might make me know, say, me I go on a tour.
Yeah.
Cause the thing turn up loud, everybody all over the world love the thing.
I'm going to make the music nice.
What you mean? Guess what? The surprising thing is, tomorrow me have to leave.
Jano.
Yeah. Yo, me not even all the prepare and them stuff, but you don't know. I saw the music thing said, so me have to...
Right now, big man thing in the engine. Let me tell you
So
what
I'm
I'm going.
going to know.
I know what going between you and that. Producer you that still now.
Wow, what is man?
Yeah, me also build a man watch that. I understand how you go on tour. And I said you go on tour, you don't have me know what going.
No, but me just hear about it. Me just hear about it.
Yo, come like some boy, you like a big thing I'm going with it. You see me?
Alright, nobody with the rubbishness, man. Nobody with the foolishness, yes, man.
You see me? You
You know something you're not happy for me, though.
Of course, me happy for you.
No, say you can't happy for me, you're not going, so.
Happy for you, watch now. So do support me.
Yo, me stress.
Oh, you put some understand that. I can't understand that.
Yo, me think you don't understand. You see, man, I tell me say nothing not going, you know. You understand? Nothing I go and say if you happy man say something I go want for me and you same way. You understand? You see that baby all hungry with you nothing I go on. I mean I get yo mix swaggy baby. Yo go and deal with the baby you know cause you piss me off right now man. You piss me off. That's why people feel girl who no born and name something there you know. Cause look at it. Me get an opportunity, so happy for the opportunity. Oh share baby. And now you gonna tell me about a day with man and them summer day. My yo, me not make you hold me down and pop me. I'm gonna pop right now. You're lucky. Come here, baby.
Not even know what that woman I think right now, you know say. How do I go on? Man, I just say she just walk out of my life then with this thing now. You see me come, I don't know what I feel about it. She happy, you know, you see me? And if I have to fuck up if I joke, I'm going to get jokes out now, I'm buckler there. Babe, where you say you are?
What one?
Where you are?
Yo, me did there, you know, out to go drink a little water and drink, calm down myself, because boy, you make my blood pressure.
That's the thing we are dealing with.
Of
when you show
course.
me there, I get thing and fire all again, feel like the boy, man, happy for you and glad for everything, you know. You see?
But me expect it don't be better than that, man.
No, but that's the weird thing, I'm son, say, I don't know, so yo, you see me, man, a man, so man, have to think of it, you see me?
Me understand,
Yeah,
me understand.
You don't know, man, the best if one of the best, man, you see, so. Do you do right now if I don't remember the phone and everything up and running so link still can't mash it down, don't it? I am be man everything.
Me glad say
you do me, you don't know the whole
glad
thing.
say I come around.
Yeah man, so do the thing man, cause you don't know man I start do my business, you do me. I don't care the way things see that you do my thing. Yeah man, go on, so you pack up your car already?
Yeah. I want to go back my pack still, you know.
Yeah. Yeah man, I'm not with that man, cause soon I go for another brother.
Soon come off the rest of my water.
Yeah man, go on, come on, cause
Yeah.
I have gonna have to do the do my children idea, steady way. But what is you drink? Water?
Yeah.
I look a bit like yeah, blood clot. Just jump on boy, I did man. Very
Yeah, so I'm going
yeah,
now.
man, there, man. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I put it into a piece of clothes. So right now I'm looking at handbag alone.
Yeah, so you take up on a picture of something tonight.
Yeah, you do that.
I'll do it.
Come water there. Give me water. I'm thirsty.
I
now get a big bag in a kid, don't say fire me go.
Yeah, you know
I want to pretty stuff over there, so I just go buy 2 things.
Yeah, you know, miss me with your mind. You don't know if you tell
I want to taste it. It have a taste, man. So it tastes different from how me just have it a while ago.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Me not say nothing, let me go.
Drink the water, man. You must be chlorine or something in the water, man, isn't it? Yo, fuck with my girl like that. What you do, my girl?
Look out for me.
What you do?
Yo, something wrong.
My girl, what can I tell that, my girl? What can I tell that? What can I tell that to me? What can I tell that to me?
Look like a warrior, me.
No, boy, you're talking about you wait like hospital and one.
You try to abuse me now.
Leave yourself, man. I tell you, I try to pull up.
From your
Some tell you, I try to pull up. Motherfucker, just go and dash your bag here. Boy, you fuck up things and rave when I come and tell me like you want to man to your way. Leave yourself, man. I want to my girl. One buckler right now. You left me all up and I rode me a girl now, you know.
I can't believe I to get an opportunity. Look how tired man come and try and mash up the life. I must come out of this. I must.
Angel, my friend.
Who that?
A Kiki.
Kiki Wagwan.
What? You know I want to help you.
Kiki, that's right now.
So your face looks so.
Right now, I'm stressed out. I'm depressed. And the boy I take advantage of me and all fight me and them so with it. Imagine say Kiki, me get one little opportunity to go up on a tour, right?
Yeah.
And the producer call me and tell me say tomorrow the thing I shoot up. Because you don't know everybody love my song.
True.
And when me I take a stop, when I come home and tell him, I be a summer, him start to fight me and him
So how will you do that?
Boy, I mean,
When he happy for you, him a warrior.
and that me I say him supposed to happy for me. I want to
Yeah.
take a start and
Because
fight
when
him
you are
and
going to
fight
make
me.
feet wow, no.
Boy, me I tell him me depressed but Kiki me nah make him hold me down. Me a left.
Me tell you how long you have to left the boy, you tell you left the boy there. Because
Boy,
he
still bad.
beat him. Me tell you to leave him. You can't somebody who will beat you every day.
I just true me no want to go prison and them someday, you know. Oh, come and tell you
You
there.
don't mind after when you go do nothing and you go in a prison, you can't go get do your thing where you do, you can't go get for the music. So just blow him out, leave him.
Alright.
Leave him boy.
Me a tell you, see. Thank you, my friend.
Alright.
Alright. See money here.
Thank you.
Alright.
Later here. Alright, me call eh.
Alright.
Wagwan. Me just go up a angel yard and she tell me say you beat her. But me no believe her, you know, me no believe her. Me feel that you want left you go to Illico. Select a man. Make him a talk about say you beat her. Alright. Me a call link you. Alright. Eh? I'm busy.
Feel good, though.
Yeah.
What do you look at the money? How you feel? Feel good,
No man, if I tell you, me no feel good for a day, because for a day me have vomit and me no feel good, my stomach upset and...
Just say about tell you check out the doctor, you tell me how to work calm. Tell you same thing I feel. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright, me I go to the doctor and check and make you know what I go on. Alright.
I don't know anything, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, go and do your thing, man, because I don't know be able to hear that. I don't see my wife right now, one. I'm going to be able to focus check on what you're saying.
True man.
Right now, I pray for you, run away. You know? Alright, so you just want to learn the person because I don't know you.
Alright.
You, me, I pray right now, hear that?
Yeah man.
Just go and do your
Alright.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, look up the man, hear that? Think. Go and marry take him with my new woman.
Yeah, but you know someone go check my uncle.
Alright.
Come here to talk to him about this thing what going on, you know.
Alright, me come.
I can't keep it to myself.
Yeah.
You understand? Come
Alright.
I don't know me, I have best friend and it. You see? Well, uncle.
What about me, say? What about man?
Me there, I will pass it now, go on, you know.
Yeah.
Kiki, slung like you have a city, the baby.
Yeah.
What about Kiki?
Yeah.
Uncle, I'll be a sitting. Imagine say my management, you see me?
Yeah.
Call me yesterday and tell me say Ray. You understand?
Yeah.
Right now, me have on 3 o'clock flight today.
Yeah.
So me have come from early today, go and tell you what go on this morning.
The
Yeah.
stage show thing what you tell me about?
Yeah, over foreign, uncle.
What you mean, man? Make some money for money, man.
Me I say yo, my husband right now will give me beer problem, you know.
What?
Sketch a go and do that bag of things where your uncle it no normal. He all a put his hand for me. Uncle right
What
now,
you
my baby
say?
don't feel good. Look how me hand, look at so.
Wheel up, sir.
You understand me and he hold of my body. He mash me, he beat me up. A Kiki have to come up there, come talk to me.
No, man, this is serious.
Cheer up me. Yo, uncle.
You must have to call a
Yo,
boy.
after me getting this opportunity, uncle. Come baby, oh.
Before call the boy and show me real level in the car.
Yeah.
That's me think I get serious, you know.
Call him uncle. Come here and tell us say yo, the boy give me a piece of beating and I just now
Man, I think I get serious, man.
It, you know.
You know, a ramping thing, man. A long time them thing I go on, you know. I hope. No boy now go deal my family, so, you know.
You see.
Hello? What, brother? Oh, yeah, deal man knee, so youth. What? So all badness you push out. So you see a bad man thing. Me not tell yourself to love out my niece, brother, and stop beat her up, man. So you say, you know what, you not know what me I say. So I just say a thing there. Alright, anything, you know, brother. Anything you get, you know, say, you can't see, you know. See? Come here like, yeah, deal my niece, you know, you. No boy, no ramp in my family, them certain way, you know. You will just come off a man phone, you know, you. Anytime you buck you know a thing going on. You hear that? Thing a ramping thing. A boy you better know yourself in the car. Any boy ramping my family a bullet, you know. I mean I'm play, you know. You see me I say?
You want to deal with it, uncle.
Listen.
Deal with it, man.
I'm going to deal with that boy there, you know. You see me I say? Because money have to make, you know. Because you know a thing going on.
You
So
see
take
it.
care of yourself.
Alright, uncle.
Alright.
Yeah,
Now
deal.
deal with
Bad
him. Don't
with
worry
it.
about him, man. A simple
Alright.
thing.
Yeah, man, so
you don't know. We have it by both in the vein. So if you have the link, you can just dig now. You know what I mean?
yeah, man, they
Yeah,
don't know anything.
yeah, man. So just do the math. You know what I mean? We're looking right there from there. You don't know,
They don't know. So I can get the high grade anytime.
Ice. Now you don't know that. You know? Yeah, man. So just
Police! Police! No man no more! Police! Officer, sit down around going to say now. Sergeant, hold on one day. Hold the rest of one. Don't make the rest of get ready. Hey boy, jump me with it.
Angel uncle from the boy come out of the country. I'm going to check for the whole and foot a while ago. You see me? How you talking? You see me? Yeah, be a bag one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, man, you look fat and thing do like pumpkin belly as well and thing. Yeah.
What's going on?
There you go, you see me what go and call you by hospital where you go doctor.
Yeah, man, me go man. I me do it test, you know. Me pregnant.
You know, love that. I'm sick when I see you come out like I'm going to tell you, you see me?
True, man.
You belly get show them to me, you see me? Yeah, man, I really man, you see me? If you just want to take care of me, I don't know right now, I'm going to one angel, you see me? Yeah, so
what more do you know?
I know I'll be able to eat that thing with Shana, I look to produce a boy for my family, but I run away, you see me? Yeah, so right now I'm going to do nothing with that, me and you, you see me?
Yeah,
so
man.
I go and keep the thing, tell mosquito bite and them to me, you see me? You know, keep the thing to get real, and just know say I subject to the thing there, you hear that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so now there, everything good on phone.
Yeah, man, everything good, man.
Oh yeah.
I deal with now, because from when you call up on the phone, I'm glad you come to me, woman, I talk to car. From when you call up on the phone and I build up there, I tell you, boy, I like how you deal on the phone and anything too, you're saying, but...
Hey, because you like this still, you know. Kiki, what going on, sir?
No,
man, I raise the way I raise, man.
So if your friend is a man where you beat up my
the
knees.
rest of one.
Hear me, I say now.
Or if your friend is a man where you beat up my knees.
You know, so I know why you never have. I don't know me, they can't violate me, so what's it?
True, man.
Not to why you never have nothing still, you see me, so. I don't want him to feel like something and nothing, so just someone know. You may have to be the man, yo, watch the dog and know that the dog will come up with my life for you, you see me?
I want to talk to my woman, you know, so you what?
Alright,
Just left your
Easy
son.
to brother. Easy to brother, man. Yeah, man, they think good, man.
alright.
Yeah. You
Hey,
see?
Kiki, I want to talk to you, too. Because I don't like how you are talking about beat up my knees and things.
Me and him a friend.
If you're a friend and you beat up your friend, your best friend, eh? Beat up your best friend and not cheat that. I think you tell me about your friend. I never bother trust you again because I see the enemy you are talking. You know. I never bother trust you, you know. So you have to do a DNA test and things and make me see what I want. Because I don't mind pick me enough for me. You know.
Alright, me I do the DNA test.
So you do that and make me know, you know, because I'm in the night, you know.
I don't want a jacket here.
Alright. Just now, what me I go do? Me have a baby and me do DNA test and me find out say I know for my boyfriend. When me I go do you know, me find out say I for Angel boyfriend. Lord Jesus. But anyway, me can't keep it to myself. Me have to go make them know. Me I go call them and talk to the two of them. Hey, Festus, me have something to tell you. Me have something important to tell you. You have to come check me now. Alright. Me call Sketch too. Hello Sketch. You can call link me now. Me have something important to tell you no. Come now. Alright.
What go on, be?
Me there here, you know?
Everything good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm there, man.
Wagwan.
So you call me and you come out there.
So where this man are there, sir?
No bother with that, man. I'm calling.
You call man and you call me.
I something me have to
So
tell
what you
you
on me?
Me have something to tell me.
Tell me what you tell me.
You see DNA test we tell me to do.
Oh, I'm a baby, I'm a baby.
Me do it, you know.
I'm a baby, man.
But sorry to tell you, I know for your baby.
What? I go you make me happy up on here. Jesus. Yeah.
Yo, be over there, yo.
I'm pussy. Festus. Search. Come back now. Come back. Festus. Wake up now. Wake up. Me a go do you know. Me a go do. See there, Festus gone, left me and Stretch gone. Cause me do DNA and me find out say enough for them pitney. When me a go do you know. This a cheap me just take me penny and take a chip and go overseas. Cause me lose my best friend. This a cheap me just take a chip overseas and start a new
Angel eyes and
So are you ready?
you got me feeling some kind of way. I'm if you tell about it, you shoulda never ever get me stressed out. You shoulda never ever make me step out. Now I road me gone. Me moving on, me find a better. So on.
Oh, that's what I heard this week. The worship's got really kill it. Put a rhythm no kill a bit. Angel eyes are there. Angel eyes or Jackie name. Artist. The artist you run one more and then we Jackie and Angel eyes in it. See him ready. Oh, yeah, no more. Angel, oh, we're Jackie and Angel eyes. Ready. Jackie. You want peace and ready, man, Angel eyes. Put this in one. Play. Oh yeah man, I'm trying to throw the thing on this now. Ready? Angel, take you have to sing for Angel first.
Alright. You don't know say we are bad people here. Straight like that. I'm gonna tell you. Yeah. You don't know me no matter whatever. Can't take the image with your play no killer. Dropping on my tracks so me in your with the head of the point I want to ask me clean your head. I'm me on pound lyrics me about deliver. God give no mercy, me no forgiver. Chat you a chat but me a great nigga. Running away, me kill it. My AK balance, all a pint call for your school learn balance. No more time, boom, the man in the one.
Rockfield wanted, Cranston wanted, Rockford, Richmond Pub. And them see me, them know what's up. Feel me guns, them a chop, but them must stay on top. Let me get it clear, me no walk with them tough. From me clock, have my gun, I'm clock rock. Me go to the bar, when me see the band chuckle. Sneak up and cheap, but me see the one cutter. Rise the chaser, have the butcher like rocker. In a one, let me run with the hand. But when the guns are bust, them say, go suck your mother. Pinch and a chop, me do it over. With them buck from, me no watch man, and me talks them, bury them hot a whole rubber. Head boy, go suck your mother. Pinch and a chop, like red over. With them bad trap, me no watch man, and me talks them, bury them hot a whole rubber. What that was me only could have more than full of 40s. When my up my gun, them some of us like me a cookies. To my boss it, right now run off without a notice. No we get that chick that under what you have your own risk. One thing, when my up my gun, you have your own risk. These
No one stop me, no big gun poppy. Them only could be able to get slap me. No bullet in a face, in a no lamp stocky. Make you walk out, this to this not flaky. No let me pass a in your decently. Them a walk and a after this is recently. Me a fire force, tire toss. Boy, you da boss like tire force. Me go deal, you go like a dust. Everything goes like sending light where you go. No matter long talking, me no preacher. Man ready for a war, you a feature. You feel say you know man.
Angel eyes and you got me feeling some kind of way. I'm if you tell about it, you shoulda never ever get me stressed out. You shoulda never ever make me step out. Now I road me gone. Me moving on, me find a better. So go on. Me realize you couldn't even turn me on. Him know if he play me like a favorite song. So allow me make me go and live on. Me young, me life is just begun. Me can't take the stress now. Energy and Bacardi, that take the stress away. Party all night and hope you see a better day. I saw the record stay, take the mess away. You was an accident, no me you go pay for the damage. Insurance policy, wait till me a carry. No me could manage. You was a savage but humble was the base. Now you are the lace. Me moving on, me find a better. So go on. Me realize you couldn't even turn me on. Him know if he play me like a favorite song. So allow me make me go and live on.